So, the last time we performed is about the open bed. Open bed when the linen is straight here. But this is now, saan ikaw gani? Open bed ready for incoming patient. Okay, so I would like to ask Binhar to be the patient. Okay. So you stay, guys. Look at this one. Knife footstool. Let the patient step on the footstool and then you sit down. Okay. Sit down. Okay. And let the patient lie down. Okay. And then cover. So let the patient pull this one. Okay. So you are done with the open bed, and the welcoming bed. So, natin admission. Question. When you wake up in the morning, what will be the things you're doing? Be?
Stretching.
Be? Yes?
Stretching.
Stretching. What else?
Exercise.
July, exercise. What else? The usual thing you do when you wake up.
Pray.
Pray, yes. What else? Manghilamos. What else? Toothbrush. What else? Maligo, mag-breakfast, and ready for school. Diba? So we have our morning routine. In the hospital, we also have our morning routine. So part of our morning routine is this one. Okay. The patient is lying down. Okay. Ang una tubaton sa pasyente is, of course, we have to do the morning care. During our rounds, mag-rounds man mo together with the nurse. Pagtanong siya, kapila na ka nangihi, kapila na nakalibang, because that's part of your routine. And then, after the rounds, sa mga pasyente, you have to go back to your patient and then supposing atong pasyente is kanang bago pa siya na-admit, Okay. Dili sa gusto magpaligo. So, but we need to change the linen. Question. Is there a way to change the linen na pasyente sa bed?
Yes.
Pwede ba?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. This is what we're going to do now. I want you to master this one because muli inyong pinaka-master din na buhatin. This is part of the morning routine we're going to do sa inyong pasyente every day. So you have to change the linen. Whether the patient is in the hospital or in the house, you have to always change the linen. Okay. So, sa atong pagkuano, we prepare the linen. Kung sa itong up, was it the bed sheet or the habol? Bed sheet. Okay. How are we going to change the linen? Okay, let's start there, To change the linen is, so you have to loosen this one, Okay. You also have to provide privacy to your patient, Okay. Mostly, sa atong pasyente, naka-patient's gown. Diba? Lay down na tsura niyo. Okay, naka-patient's gown na sila. Okay. At this time, you instruct the patient, Sir, we will change your linen because it's already ruined and it needs to be put in laundry. So, to change the linen is you have to ask your patient's cooperation. Okay. Sir, patakilid na ka dito ha? Sige, patakilid. Hindi lang. Okay. So, in this position, maglisod ang pasyente. Kaysa ang magsakit, dire. So you have to put the patient in a comfortable position. But be sure, kung tigulan yung pasyente, basig mahulog sa dito. Okay. Yung ano yung position? So, you have to put the patient in a comfortable position by, okay. So, straight ang tiil, kani, straight. Ang usa ka tiil is anak. Di ba? Okay. na ay pinaka degrees naka-form ka og triangle dire. Kaya no matter how much the patient move, dili gid siya mahulog kay nga naman na may nakalak sa iyaha iyang tiil. So, this is Sim's position. Ha? Look at the tiil. Ha? Pero, if you have extra pillow, insert pillow, dire, yan dili sa kawoy. No, in a way, pas-pas man atong procedure. Okay, like that. So, nakalak na yan tiil. Okay, ano lang. Kay, you have to have the patient in this position para dili magsakit ang iyang likod. Especially kung tigulang. Okay. So, as you did the kuan, katong pag-change sa bed, pag-put sa bed making, you roll this again. No? So, dinha sa, okay. Ilalom na sa pillow, ha? Okay. Like that. And then, na-arrange naman mo because you prepared all the linen, no? Una nimo butang sa taas ang bedsheet. Okay. So, bedsheet is folded wrong side up or right side up? Ha? Nakalimutan sila.
Wrong side.
Okay. The same procedure, kung asa ka nag-start sa pagbuhat mo sa imong kuan, imong bed making, dito gyapon ka mag-start. So we have to start from the foot. Okay. This is folded 1/8 na siya. Di ba? Okay. So, asa itong opening, dito ka, no? Okay, so, this one. From the foot, let me see. Okay. This is right. Actually, ang half, no? Dapat ang half, ano siya? Linya ko na siya diri. Tanan. Take note ha. Linya ko na siya diri. That is the half of the linen. Okay. Like that. And then, paano na hindi mo na ito ka-apply? Diba? Diba ba sa apply? Then, put it down. Na. Okay. So at least taas na ito. Kung giunsa ninyo pa perform so itong kuan, muna gapot to siya. You start here. Okay. Tuck in this one first. Like that, ha? Oh. Ang sa kamot, na-carry sa home, then lalo. And then again, you have to do, what procedure is this?
Have my third corner.
Louder?
Have my third corner.
Okay. Be sure na there is again a triangle here. Ha? Okay. Do not pull the bed sheet dili dapit. But you have to pull it here kumahimo. Kaya makabuhat it ka o triangle. Di ba? Okay. Then, insert. Okay. Balik. Insert the hood. And then you have to stretch your 2 feet apart. And observe the body mechanics. Okay. Do not overextend your body kay ang possibility is inyong likod ang magsakit. So, insert. Okay. You notice guys, no? 9 line. Ha? So that means this is straight. So you have to pull it a little. Okay. So, kani siya ipasok-sok dito. Okay. So, yan na. Dili man nato siya i-tuck in dire, di ba? Dili man tayo start. Okay, now. Sunod na buhaton is ang habol. Dapat ang silya dito nakabutang. Tuck. So, same way, kung asa ko nga, dito gihapon. Okay. You observe her, and then, in performing this one, you'll listen to talk because if you're going to perform this one during your institute, you will really talk. Ha? Magyaw-yaw din mo diri. Okay. So, sa foot, you have to tuck in, di ba? Tuck in. Position is, ang kamot anaha. Then, ang sa kamot is, ipaabot yun diri. Biraha ang bedsheet. Mabira man mo, di ba? Okay. And then, may magbitay. You have to have the half my third corner. Again, nasa triangle diha. Dili ka magkuha dinhi dapit kay kunya ka magkuha gamay gud ang triangle. But you have to have it here. So, di ba? Bako yung triangle, dako, aron ma-insert. Since habol siya, dili siya makuhan. Dili siya itak-in. No? Okay, habol lang siya. Okay, at this time, you can pull the linen of the patient. You have to provide privacy to the patient. So, nanayhabol ang pasyente. Di ba? Okay. So, butanay na to sa laundry basket. Okay. So, laundry basket, di ba? Pero sa hospital, usahan na siya. Separate lang. Pero kinato ba ko ano. So, dili siya sa light colored. Anak. So, ano na pasyente, no? You have to go back to this side. Then, instruct the patient to move straight. Okay, move straight. And then, you instruct the patient still to do the same process. Okay, very. So, ang iyatil, the same yapon. Same position, kinahanglan makita nimo nga naay triangle diha. Ha? Okay. So, that's the final dayon because you just rolled the kuan, the linen, you have to pull this one, hugaw man ang ibabaw, anak. No? Okay. Tira. And then, utang sa laundry basket. Sa light color. Okay. To continue, you have to start. Imura manggi. Sok-sok diri, di ba? You have to pull this one. The bed sheet. Mabalaan man nimo dinhi. So you have to focus first diri sa ulo. Ha? And then, tuck in po ni. So, magwako na siya ang pagka-perform because nanay weight ang kuwan, ang bed. And then do the half mitre corner again. Oh, sa triangle ha. Bedsheet na siya, so of course you have to tuck in. Okay, so, habol na food. Then you have to instruct your patient to lie straight. Ayun, tabulin pa si Tikin, panas patay. Ha? Wala ka, manungha, audio, ano na tayo, ha? So, you have to tuck in this area again. Look at this one, na-exist, di ba? So, bira. Oh, ito. And then, nakumot ang ilalom. Di ba? So, you have to fix it. Perform again the half mitre corner. Anay, triangle ha. Okay, observing the body mechanic, pull, and then, okay. So, manong, nakakuha namin o ilis sa imuha. Pero, ugma, kinhalan ka, maligo. So, you have to instruct the patient. Thank you sa inyong cooperation, no? But, we need to change the pillowcase. The same procedure nga po ito pag-change sa pillowcase. You can still ask the patient to cooperate. Anong taas gamay imong ulo. So you have to support. Di na kay ulo ha. Ano? Dili oh. Meron din mo support. Ang imong yung ulo din makakuha sa ha. Okay, okay. Ang uban anak, tigulang na dili ka kuha. Okay. So you have to change the pillowcase. The same procedure already happened. Huh? So, balik. So, how do you like to have this kind of instruction? This procedure, was it clean?
Yes.
Was it cleanly done?
Yes.
Yes, of course. Is it comfortable for the patient to lie down in this position?
Yes.
Okay. Wala na hassle ang pasyente, no? Kay the patient is very cooperative. Okay. So, the next procedure we're going to go to perform is, mano you prepare because tomorrow, ligoon ka. Mag-bed shampoo, ligoon ang pasyente. Ha? Okay. So, for the meantime guys, no, ready naman to dito, mag-return demo mo, the same procedure with this. Ha? Okay. So, ang una nga mag-return demo is Group 1 and practice Group 1 and Group 2 sa magpabilin. Ang Group 3 and Group 4, you can stay at your chair and observe how it is done. You really have to master this thing because this is part of the morning care na itong ihatag sa atong kasi. Okay. Do you think kaya ninyo?
Yes.
Change? Yes. Wala with choice. You really need.
Wala yun.
With choice. This is part of your work as a caregiver. That is providing comfort to the patient, either bata, batanon, or tigulang. Okay. Even if the patient is baby, you still have to perform this one. At least kung baby, sayo na kay pagsakwat sa niya. Okay? Did you learn?
Yes.
So, by next meeting, I want you to prepare. You have to bring your bed sheet and habol again, together with shampoo sa lang, no? Sabon and labakara. And 2 towel. Okay? Mag-una sa bed shampoo, no? Dili na ko sa tanang kay taas ka. Pag bed shampoo palandaan is taas na, no? Then after bed shampoo, changing again the linen, kaya of course mabasa man siya. Okay, yung mga ginagawa ng pasyente, no? So, dili sa I want you to practice para sa inyong performance. Okay, so that's all, and I want you to do your practice sa Group 1. Okay, Group 1 and Group 1 diri, Group 2 dito. Okay.
Pagod na ulo. Ayun ako ulo. Uwa man gamit po. Upat. Ibaho na po. Una.
That's, ano, roll. Ha? Roll.
Nakita mo na sa bata. Tama ba sila po?
Stoy. Your patient. What will you do with your patient?
Move ko ay.
The other side.
The other side.
What will you do to the tail?
Sabi nga lang nag-insert.
Same position.
Same.
Oh, okay. Like that.
Ano yun? Nakahaw.
Sige.
Pwede ako, Bisaya, sir.
English.
Wala pa rin tingnan sa business. Mobile ID.
Oh?
Kapul, maning. Sada, huli na pilot pa ni.
Dapat we need some privacy for our patients.
Memorize ko pero sa words, sir. Then, tuck in here. Then do the half mitered corner. Tuck in again. Again, excuse me, sir. Ben! Iyago po ba? Yup. Next. Pwede mo na po, sir. Na. Sir, bali ato bangon mo ni sir. Diba? Half mitered corner. Then, ask permission
Sa. Sibuk sa diri. Diri. Dini na ka. Ayaw paglihok.
Ay, dari ko. Ay. Transfer.
Turn.
Turn the patient to the other side.
Tama ka siya tingin sa mali. Diba?
Ready ko. Ready ko pingin.
Sabi ni patient eh, pagkapon. Isa na kay di na ganahan.
Tap in again. Can do the half mitered corner.
Dodo. Sa ano ko? Front level.
Bali gusto nga, ang papa ko. So, bakit ang mama?
Ay, nagulat.
Dili pa. Ay, sample lang.
And next is the Hubble.
Okay, baby.
Ay, again, transparent na siya at inside. Third eye.
TL. Wala naman eh, undan yung pasyente.
Ready for
Bangon!
Yung ibusdak yung ulo.
Yan na siya. Ito na, gusto na ba, sir?
Okay, what did you do with the patient? No. You
Listen
have to have it lie flat on them. Straight. So, is the patient na comfortable? Are you not comfortable? Huh? So, next!
Okay, start na.
Wala ba?
Daplin mo ba?
Not now, pag-minute meaning.
Hilas? Gago.
Kaya ba ka pa-injection na ba na sugo? Kaya
Sorry.